Hi everyone, I'm Tony, this is Filled to Flame, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these venison smoked stuffed meatballs. Now this is one of my favorite meatball recipes, and it comes together in a matter of minutes and only takes about 45 minutes to smoke. You can use any wild game you have on hand, from venison to elk to even bear, but let's not waste any time, let's make these. Before we get started with our meat, we're going to start with our binder, mix together our milk and our egg, go right into our breadcrumbs. I'm using panko. You can use any ones that you want. We're going to get this mixed up and just let this sit and let those breadcrumbs soak all this up. In our bowl here, we have our wild game. We have 1 pound of that and ½ pound of ground pork. I have elk. You can use venison, bear, anything you want. We're going to go in with our seasonings. Season this up. Some Worcestershire sauce, or the W sauce, a little bit of our barbecue, just to help that flavor. We're going to get this mixed up just a little bit. We do not want to overwork these meatballs, or they're going to be tough. And yes, before you ask, my hands have been washed. Okay, that's already smells great. Nice little mix right there. And with our breadcrumbs as well, we're going to get this incorporated. Now we're going to use an ice cream scoop here. You can make these any size you want. To me, that's about the right size meatball right there. I'm going to flatten this out just like that. Going to stuff this with a little bit of chopped mozzarella. Form that ball around there. I'm going to set these on a wire rack. I feel that that helps the shape hold up. Going to crank the rest of these out. Alright, our meatballs are ready to head out to the smoker. Let's get them out there. Our smoker's rolling at 225. We're going to get these in and let them smoke for about 45 minutes. While the meatballs are smoking, we're going to work on our glaze. Here I have our favorite barbecue sauce. You can use yours. We're going with a little splash of apple cider vinegar and some honey, or you can go in with brown sugar. We're going to mix this up and wait for those meatballs to get done. Let's check on the meatballs. These are looking great. Now, if you don't seal them right, they will leak the cheese. We're going to brush on our barbecue sauce. We're going to let these go for about another 10 to 15 minutes and let that barbecue sauce tack up. There you have it. Our smoked, barbecued, wild game meatballs. Man, that's a mouthful. Let's plate these up real quick. Now, let's plate these. Careful, they're very hot. I'm just going to stack them on this plate, I guess I should say. They're super sticky. They smell amazing. I'm really excited to get a taste of these. Now, some of them, the sauce came off a little bit, or I didn't brush it good enough, but that's fine. Go in. Oh, we got to run away. Go in with a little bit of barbecue sauce and brush them on just a little bit more. Let's get a taste. Alright, let's get a taste. Like I said, be careful. They're hot. Bust them open. I don't know how well you can see that. Got a nice little cheese pull in there from the mozzarella. These are so good. They're juicy. There's a nice light smoky flavor. You get a creaminess of the cheese. That bread mixture that we made up and put inside the meatball really helped it to stay moist. This will be a great appetizer or even a main course. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. That way you don't miss any of the content that we drop. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week.